Hello dear student, today start the new topic. Your new topic name is divisibility rules. Now see, a number is divisible by, first start from the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. First of all we start from the 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the given condition is what? A last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now see, for an example 10. 10 is one of the example of divisible by 2 because if a last digit is 0, because 2 5 is 10, is 10 is divisible by 2. Another example is 12, 14, 16, 18. This is one of the example is divisible by 2 because now see we have to see it the example of 16 here. If the last digit is 6, that is why 16 is divisible by 2. That is why a number is divisible by 2 if the last digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Next, for the 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Now the condition is what? If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Now we have to check the sum of digit is divisible by 2. For an example 345. Now we have to check it 345 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, how can we check it? 345, just see, 3 is our add with 4 is our add with 5 is equals to what? Because 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. This is a 12 directly divided by 3 is a completely divisible by 3. This is over 4 times. It means that 345 is divisible by 3. Okay, this is our way we have to check the number is divisible by the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is our given condition. Now next one for the 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 2, only last two digit is divisible by 2, divisible by 4. For an example, 564 is the one of the example is divisible by 4. But why 4? Now see 564 because the last two digit is divisible by 4. Okay, that is why 565 is completely divisible by 4. Next one, a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. One of the example is 10. 10 is divisible by 5 by because 5 2 are 10. Okay. Next one example is 15. This is our 15 has a last digit is our 5. That is why here will be 5 3 are 15. This is one of the examples. Next, if the number is for the 6, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, now we have to check it for the 6. So how can we check it? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, now we have to check if this number is divisible by 2 and 3. One of the example is 12. 12 is directly divisible by 6, but we have to check it a number is divisible by the 2 and 3 or not, because 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 3 4 are also 12. That is why 6 a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. Next, 7, cross of the last digit double and is subtract. Repeat, you want a new number is divisible by 7. Original number is divisible by 7 definitely. Next, for the 8, if the last three digits is divisible by 8, if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. It means that only last 3 digits. For an example, 1465. Now we have to check if the only last 3 digits are completely divisible by 8. It means that your remainder is 0 will become here. Okay. Next one example for the 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Now check it for the 9. A number is divisible by the 9 if the condition is what? Sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Next for the 10. If the last digit is 0. Definitely if the last digit is a 0, for an example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever. Okay. If a number is divisible by 10, if the last digit is a 0, that is one of the divisibility rules. Next for the 11, actually is a very important from what? Here will be 2 to 9 is a very important. We have to check the divisibility rules. For the 11, subtract the last digit from the number is are formed by the remaining digit. A new number is divisible by 11. The original number is divisible by 11. Definitely. And for the 12, if the number is divisible by the 3 and 4, definitely if the number is are divisible by 3 and 4, for an example is a 24. 24 is a one of the example is are divisible by 12. Now we have to check it your answer is correct or not. A number is are divisible by 3 and 4. This is 24 divided by 3. Here will be 3 8 are 24 and 24 divided by 4 and 4 6 are 24. That is why if the number is divisible by 3 and 4. For an example, check the divisibility of each of the number is our space is are provided. Okay. 442 for the divisibility by 2. I already discussed. Now we have to check it the last digit. The last digit 2 and completely divisible by 2. Now we have to check if your answer is correct or not. 442 divided by 2, because 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, this is our 2 1 are 1. Definitely your answer will become in 221. Now therefore how can we write it? Therefore the 442 is also completely divisible by 2. Next one example is 2574 for the divisibility by 3. Because I already discussed how can we check the divisibility by 3. If the sum of all the digits and divisible by directly 3, then we get this number is divisible by 3. 2574, it means we have to write it. Here will be 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 is equals to what? 18, because 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, and this is our 18 divided by 3 is equals to answer is what? 6. The sum of digit in the number 2574 is divisible by 3, because I already discussing if the sum of the digit is completely divisible by 3. Therefore the 2574 is also divisible by 3, not a 9. This is our 3. Okay. Now to start from the next one example. Now see the next one examples. Next one example, it will be 98761 for the divisibility by 5. Now we have to check it the last digit is a 0 or 5, and that is why it is not a completely divisible by 5. Therefore the 98761 is not a completely divisible by 5. Next one example, 564 for the divisibility by 6. I already discussed how can we check the divisibility rules 564 is completely divisible by the 2 and 3. Now we have to check it is 564 is completely divisible by or not. 564 is divided by 2. First of all we have to check it divided by 2. Now your answer is what? 282, because 2 2 ja 4, this the one is there, 2 8 ja 16 and the 2 2 ja 4. Definitely your answer will become in 282 is the correct answer. Next, 564 is divided by 3. Now we have to check your answer is correct or not. Definitely your answer will become in 188. It means that 564 for the divisibility by 6 is completely divisible by 6. Okay. Next question, very important question. Draw a factor of a tree of the following. For a first one example is 64 and for a second one example is 36. For the 64, first of all now see 64 is divided by 2. How many times? Definitely this is over 32 times. We have to check it. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. This is over 2 multiplied by 32, and again 32 is divided by 2, because 2 multiplied by 16, because 2 multiplied by 16 your answer is what? 32. It means that you will be 2 and 36. This is our tree factor. Draw factor tree of the following example. This is for an example 64 and the second one is the 36, and there are so many example is draw the factor tree of the following. Next one is for a 16. It will be 16 is what? It will be, we have to write it 2 8 ja 16. Okay, this is our 2 multiplied by 8. This is one side is 2 and second one is 8. Next is also what? Here will be 8. We can be write it 2 4 ja 8. Here will be 2 and 4. And definitely last one we have to write it the 4, and the 4 we have to write the 2 multiplied by 2. 2 and 2. Okay, this is, and 2 I already discussed is prime number. Why prime number? Because a prime number has only two factor. This is our 1 and itself is directly divided by 1 and itself a number, that is a prime even number. Now the next one example, we have to find the 36. Draw the factor tree for the 36. Here will be 36. You can be write is this is 2 18 ja 36. Okay, here will be 36 divided by 2. Definitely your answer will be come in the 2 18 ja 36. Here will be 18. You can be write in the form of 2 and 9, because 2 9 ja 18. Here will be 2 and 9, and then last one is a 9 is our you can be write it. Here will be 3 multiplied by 3, because the 3 is also a prime number, because it has only two factors. This is a 1 and itself a number. Okay, this is our way we have to solve the draw the factor tree of the following example. And now we have to check it the divisibility rules. Divisibility rule is already given to you. By using the divisibility rule we have to solve the any of the examples. Okay, hope so everyone student understood the concept of the divisibility rule and draw the factor tree of the following given examples. Okay, and next topic we will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.